Yo, this story is crazy. Yo, listen, it's always been a woman that caused me to be the greatest, better version of myself. So check this out. When I moved to LA 5 years ago, I came here on an internship. If you check my last videos, you would know that. Came here on an internship to work in film production. That's what I studied in college, yeah? I knew nothing about dancing at all as far as a professional dancer. But however, I've been dancing my whole life for fun because my happiness is my happy place, yeah? So when I came here and when the internship was over, I was forced to get a regular job. I couldn't become an actor yet. You gotta work your way up into becoming an actor. You know what I mean? Go out, audition and stuff like that. But anyways, I was supposed to get a regular job at first at a call center because I had to pay my bills. So I got a regular job. And every Thursday night, I would go to this club in North Hollywood called Federal Bar. I went there to dance. Every Thursday, that's where all the dancers used to be at, and I loved dancing so much, I would go there religiously for about 8 months straight because it made me happy. It made it take away all my stress from the week. It just made me forget things, which is what, you know, the dancing is for me as a Jamaican. That's how we cope with things. We just go out and dance. I don't drink, I don't smoke, and do anything of that sort. Yeah, I just dance. So on that Thursday night, I went to Federal Bar every Thursday for about 8 months. Now, somewhere down the road in those 8 months, I met this girl at that same club named Shiva. And she came up to me and says, "Hey, I love the way you dance," because I used to kill it at Federal Bar. I was going, you know what I'm saying? So I love the way you dance. I want to put you in my show. Now, here's the thing. It's not like, oh, I met this girl and we're trying to talk or something. No, this was just a genuine relation, just two people meeting and just saying, "Hey, I like your energy. I like your spirit. Do my show." So I said, "All right, cool. I'll do her show. I love to dance. What up?" So next thing you know, she had a rehearsal. I went there, learned some choreography, did the show, killed the game. It was dope. Show was great. Yeah. Then this girl said to me about a week afterwards or so. She said, "Hey, there's an audition coming up, and they're looking for dancehall dancers. You should try out. I recommend that you go. I'm about to go as well." So I said, "All right, cool. I'm down. This is an audition. Oh, okay, cool. Sounds fun." I never been to an audition for a music video in LA at all, ever. This was my first time. So I was like, "All right, I'll go." Now, I went to this audition. When I went there, the audition, the choreographer was Fatima Robinson. Now, if y'all don't know who Fatima is, look her up. At that time, I didn't know too much about Fatima, but I knew her name. Fatima has choreographed so many things in the industry, and she's just dope. She's dope all around, yeah? So when I went there, I realized, okay, this must be a big music video because y'all got Fatima up in here being the choreographer, the artistic director on this. So I said, all right, cool, all right. I did my thing, and then that same night, I got an email that says, "Hey, you're booked for the music video." And I said, "Oh, let's go." You know what I mean? So I got booked, and then the next day I went on set, right? Now, crazy part is, I never asked them if I was getting paid or anything like that. I just did this just to do it because I love to dance and I needed to cope with not being where I wanted to be yet as an actor because I was working a regular job at a 9 to 5 and I hated it, yeah? So, next day now, I went on set. Son, I thought I was in the real movie, son. There was cranes everywhere, big camera. They had a whole crew holding the camera. They had horses. Yo, this set was legit. I said, "Oh, Mom, I done made it. I think I done made it. Yo, crap, what's going on?" So I was like, all right, cool. Next thing I know, Fatima taught us the eight counts and all that, and we killed the game, you know what I mean? And when the music video was over, I was like, wait, hold on. Are we getting paid? And then they was like, yeah. I was like, wait, how much you getting paid? I didn't even think we was getting paid for this. She was like, oh, $1,000. $1,000? What? Listen, guys, I quit my job. Yep, I did quit my job. Not right away, but a little bit later on, I said, all right, I'm gonna dance professionally now because if we getting paid this much, I'm gonna need to do this more often. You feel me? And the crazy part was, I was on set for about 3 hours. 3 hours, and we made $1,000. That blew my mind. So that's how I started becoming a dancer. Now, one thing I forgot to tell y'all, I never even asked whose music video this was for. So when I got on set, I found out the music video was for Pharrell. My first music video in LA was for Pharrell. Bruh, could this day get any better? Could this day get any better? And it was all because of this girl, Shiva. If I didn't meet her, I would have never met Fatima. Now here's the crazy thing. Shiva is not no big superstar, no Beyonce or nothing like that. She's just a regular person. So why I'm telling you that is because people you don't need to look for opportunities from the biggest people in the world. Sometimes your blessings come from the smallest people. You don't even expect or see it coming. And it was this girl, I did not know she knew anybody of any sort. We just vibed together. And she became my biggest blessing, because once I met Fatima in this music video, right after that, I got signed by my agency Block because I did this music video. And if I didn't meet that girl, Shiva, I would have never, ever, ever, ever been in the position that I am in now. So I just want to say, it's always been women. Thank y'all so much, women, for being the great people that y'all are. Help people like me, inspire people like me to be great and a better version of myself. A woman has always had my back all throughout my life, from my mom to Shiva. So many other stories I would tell in the future, yeah? So I just want to say thank y'all, man. And continue, people, be consistent. Do what you love so much. So much. Just do what you love so much, and that right opportunity is going to come. But thank you to women for making things happen, yo. Y'all are the greatest. Love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the story. Yeah, we out. Face out!